Hey everyone, it's Vince here. What if I told you there was an application called Shaketree that was promising you guys out there up to $100,000 to tap on a tree? Now, this is no exaggeration, everyone. As soon as you turn on Shaketree, you'll be instantly greeted with apparently a check-in that will allow you to earn $1,000 PayPal straight up. But not only that, it then goes up to almost $50,000 worth of an Amazon cash out as well, just for literally tapping on a tree. If you think that sounds absolutely insane, that's because you are correct. You will need to watch an advertisement every single 15 seconds or so on Shaketree. When an application forces you to watch advertisements pretty much against your will to apparently earn thousands of dollars, that's instantly a red flag. The thing about Shaketree that fascinates me the most though is that this could have actually been a fun, casual game. But then these developers have to go the extra mile to scam you guys out of your precious time. You see, Shaketree, in my opinion, is just another complete money-making scam application that wants you to watch hundreds of advertisements over and over again to fatten the developers' wallets. These developers left their ratings on, which I find hilarious, and they're completely all purchase 5-star reviews. And to save you a lot of time out there, I actually went through and reached that minimum cash out of around $15,000 almost PayPal. And then instantly I was asked to watch more ads. So even though I've just watched literally hundreds of advertisements to get to that point, it then asked me to watch more advertisements. This is such a joke. But you see the dramatic difference between these legitimate applications and these trash scam apps that give you thousands and thousands within 5 minutes. I would just like to take a moment to say thank you so much for watching, guys. You are all amazing out there. You've helped me almost get to 100,000 subscribers. We're getting there slowly but surely. Please remember to join my free newsletter. Links are in the description below. Stay away from Shaketree. Another complete joke. I'll catch you all in 1 to 2 days for another money-making review. See you next time.